Welcome viewers. Today I have brought a very important topics, that is common cold. Common cold is a common problem of everybody, especially in the winter. More or less a big percentage of people suffers from common cold. Today in this video we shall discuss about the common cold and its remedy, how you can get rid of common cold by the home remedies, by homemade, home available things without buying any medicine. So, however, I am Dr. J.P. Das, Principal of National Institute of Medical Science and Director of Mausumi Hospital. Without killing time, we are starting the video. There is no proof that the chicken soup can cure a common cold or flu or speed up recovery, but its ingredients contain nutrients that support your immune system. There is also some evidence that the nutrients in chicken soup may slow the movement of neutrophils in your body. Neutrophils are a type of white blood cells that help protect your body from infection. When they are moving slowly, they stay more concentrated in the areas of your body that most need them. This may contribute to healing. Try this recipe for chicken soup. You will need chicken, carrot, celery, and an onion. Alternatively, consider bone broth, which may also have health benefits. You are using canned soup, opt for low sodium soup varieties. Ginger has antioxidant, antimicrobial, and anti-inflammatory properties. Uses includes reducing muscular pain, managing nausea. You make a tea by simmering a few slices of raw ginger root in a boiling water. Honey has a variety of antibacterial and antimicrobial properties. And nausea. Drinking honey in tea with lemon can ease sore throat. Research suggests that it may also act as a cough suppressor. You should never give honey to a child younger than 12 months, as it may contain botulinum spores. While they are usually harmless to older children and adults, infants' immune system are not able to fight them off. Garlic contains compound has antimicrobial and possibly antiviral properties. Adding garlic to your diet might reduce the severity of cold symptoms. According to some research, it might even help you avoid getting sick in the first place. More research is needed into potential and cold fighting benefits of garlic, but adding more garlic to your diet probably would not hurt. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that plays many important roles in your body, including supporting the immune system. Good dietary sources of vitamin C includes citrus fruits, red peppers, green leafy vegetables such as broccoli. Adding fresh lemon juices to hot tea and honey may reduce phlegm when you are sick. Drinking hot or cold lemonade may also help. Vitamin C in the diet or as supplement is unlikely to prevent cold, but some evidence suggests that it may improve symptoms and it may slightly shorten the time of a cold last. Probiotics are friendly bacteria and yeast that are present in your body. Some food supplements that can keep your gut an immune system healthy and may reduce the chance of getting sick with an upper respiratory infection as well as how long the infection lasts. However, more studies are needed. Probiotic yogurt may benefit your immune system as well as providing protein and calcium. Look for product that list live bacteria on the label. Gargling with salt water may help prevent upper respiratory tract infection. It may also decrease the severity of cold symptoms, for instance, for easing throat pain and nasal congestion. A software gargle can reduce or loosen muscles which contains bacteria and allergens. To try this remedy at home, dissolve 1 teaspoonful of salt in a full glass of water. Switch it around your mouth and throat. Spit it out. Using a saline spray or a neti pot may help relieve nasal congestion with a cold, and it might help with some symptoms of the upper respiratory tract infection. However, be sure to use only distilled, sterile, and previously boiled water and to wash a neti pot thoroughly between uses. Not doing so could introduce microbes that could lead to potentially serious infections. Ointments containing camphor, eucalyptus oil, and menthol, such as Vaporub, may reduce nighttime cough. 1 or 2 dabs before bed can help open air passage and help improve congestion, sleep, and coughing. Use it up to 3 times in every 24 hours. Amrotanjan or Vaporub is not suitable for children under 2 years. Increase in humidity may help reduce dryness and inflammation in the nose and throat. A humidifier in your bedroom or elsewhere in your home may help you feel more comfortable. Adding a few drops of eucalyptus oil might help to relieve the congestion. For the same effect without humidifier, take long shower or linger in a steamy bathroom. Remember, the water used in the humidifier needs to be changed daily to stop molds and other fungi for growing. Sometimes you can reduce the child's fever by giving them warm but not hot sponge bath. Warm baths may also help reduce cold and flu symptoms in adults. Adding Epsom salt and baking soda to the water may reduce body aches. Boosting your immune system probably would not help if you already have flu, but it can protect you from the bouts and more severe symptoms in long terms. Tips includes getting at least 7 hours of sleep at night, following a varied and nutritious diet, getting regular exercise, following guidelines of flu vaccination. Friends, we have come at the end of this video. I hope you have understood how to control the flu by using the household materials. And you need not to go to the doctors or to bring the medicines from over the counter. So I hope you will use this thing in your house. Flu is a common problem. I hope you have liked the video. If you have liked the video, please give a like. And if you are new in this channel, please subscribe it to get the further videos very fast. And this like and subscription will encourage me to make more and more videos. However, see you again in the next video. Until then, bye bye.